Well, now that you actually have a topic that you'd like to be working on, the next question is, what do we do now? So you need to write your topic as a question. Once you have the topic, you need to define it as a question in order to help you with the researching and the writing of your paper. A research question is something that looks at the connection between two issues that influence one another or the difference between two things. So, if you've chosen the topic that I talked about before, pop music and social change, you'll need to change it into something along the lines of, how has pop music contributed to social change? So, on the first page of your Google Doc, write your research question. Let the teacher know that you have turned your topic into a research question and get her approval now as well before you continue. So take a look on the site and you'll see that I wrote down my research question, how has pop music contributed to social change? And then I would have shared it with my teacher. So after this section, we're going to go on to defining the topic. So you have, as of now, a topic. You have your research question. And remember, before you go on, make sure that everything is approved by your teacher. See you on the next page.